In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Airbnb listing, offering a comprehensive guide to make this task as straightforward as possible. Sometimes you may need to remove a listing from your Airbnb profile, perhaps due to changes in your rental availability, or maybe you're just stepping back temporarily. Whatever your reasons, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the context and details needed. Let's begin by heading over to the Airbnb website. Make sure you're signed into your account to access the settings you need. Now, you'll notice your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it brings up a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to all account-related settings and options. Look for the option labeled Manage Listings, which is typically prominently displayed as it holds all your current property listings. Once inside the Manage Listings section, take a moment to find the particular listing you wish to delete. If you have multiple listings, make sure you identify the correct one to avoid any potential mix-ups. Once you've found it, click on that listing to open up more specific options. You'll be directed to a page that showcases detailed information about that property. Next, navigate to the Listing Details option. This is where you will find various settings and options related to your listing. It's worth scrolling through to see the full scope of what's editable here. However, our primary focus is the listing status, which you'll need to scroll down to reach. The listing status encompasses several management options, including the ability to delete. Here comes the critical part of our task. Next to the listing status, search for the delete listing button. Clicking this will start the deletion process, but don't worry, it doesn't happen instantly. Airbnb will walk you through a confirmation step to ensure you want to proceed with deleting this listing. This helps prevent accidental removals, which could be inconvenient if clicked unintentionally. Once you click delete listing, Airbnb will prompt you with a confirmation screen. To finalize your decision, you'll need to confirm by clicking yes, delete. Make sure you are completely sure about this action, as deleting a listing will remove it from your active listings and search results. That's it. You've successfully gone through the process of deleting a listing on Airbnb. Remember, you can always create and publish new listings in the future if your situation changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has provided the clarity and assistance you needed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and I look forward to assisting you with more Airbnb tasks.